did the Peter Pan's flight sign. A lot of people here. Pretty dense. We're starving. We see the Liberty Tree Tavern. Thank God we got reservations. I hope it's open. Stroller parking. Alright, hopefully our reservations will be honored here.
They're going to text us in about 10 to 15 minutes. We had to restore our reservation because we were late.
Alright, thank God. Alright, looks like they called us.
Let's go.
It's too good to be true.
Welcome, welcome.
Thank you. That's amazing, huh? Oh, wow.
Bathroom's up here.
Oh, thank God. I gotta go. Where's George Washington at? Oh, wow. Ooh, over there. Oh, the window? Wow, check this spot out. Even got a fireplace. George Washington.
Not from here.
Look at that. George Washington's boots.
Goodness,
Yeah.
really. Pretty good. Not bad, actually. The rain isn't too bad.
Okay, so they said there's a hidden Mickey on this wall. I would assume it's gotta be in the one of these portraits. So this is what? This is the George Washington room. Amazing. I can't believe we haven't ate here. What does this say? Oh, this is the drink menu. Oh, I love it. Paper menus here. Oh, it's just for the drinks. There's wines, beer, hard cider, cocktail, IPAs, draft, lager. Alright, so the pricing. Ooh, Patriot slush. I don't even know what I'm getting.
Chicken ball, chicken ball, chicken ball.
I like the classic lighting here. Wow, they got air vents right there. AC. Outstanding. I think this is memory foam. Whatever it is, it's comfy. The hidden Mickey is somewhere in the clouds. If you can look, I see it. Look at the clouds on that picture.
We don't know for sure yet. We have to ask.
You got it.
Wow, I am good. I found it. I found
it's
it.
Correct.
The
it's
hidden
over there.
Mickey.
It's in the clouds. In that picture to the left of George
I'll show
Washington.
you. What?
Beautiful. Look at that color. Red. Put these up a little bit. Some real estate here.
It's in the clouds. Did you see it?
Buttermilk biscuits, baby.
Clouds. Why?
Look at that.
They put hidden Mickeys that you're supposed to find throughout the park.
He loves the bread. Oh, look at this handrail. Look at this. We're going for a walk.
Hey.
I'm about to go for the salad. Looks good.
door.
Wow.
You should put thumbs up. I mean, subscribe.
Blue napkins. I love the color. Beautiful. That's amazing.
That is amazing. Red and white job you have.
Try big guy?
Yeah. Hey, I can't drink it.
Now it works.
One more drink and that's it. You're not used to drinking that much sugar.
Okay. Wow. I didn't even know that was here. What is that? Chardonnay? What is that again?
Sauvignon, I think it's called Sauvignon Blanc.
Oh, wow. There it is.
I don't know if I'm saying that right.
Really?
Sauvignon Blanc.
Wow. Look at these. I love the tubular ice.
Here, it's right here. Look. Right here.
Oh, there it is. Matanza Sauvignon Blanc.
Medium body.
Medium body.
That's why I like it. Chardonnay is too strong for me. That's... I'm going to try this one next. I'm going to try this one.
This is good. Love the salad. She wants bread. Coming up for you.
You guys have to
I
take
gotta try that bread too. Can I get one of those? Oh, we got one of these. Feels moist. Really good. Golden. Here's some butter. You make butter look good. What's going down? You like salad, babe? No? You're not ready? Oh, you ready for the salad? Look at this. Red, white, and blue. Perfect drink for Independence Day. Independence Day month. July.
some mashed green beans, mac and cheese. I don't want you eating that yet,
Wow,
sissy.
look at that. Thanks,
Turkey,
turkey.
pork, cottage, some stuffing in the center, a side of cranberry, and your gravy, okay? Enjoy. Is there any way we can get some more here?
Oh my God.
It's mine. I'm gonna eat it now.
That's beautiful. It's like
This is
Thanksgiving.
all of ours. We have to share it.
Love those green beans.
Mom, I'm
They
eating.
even have cranberry sauce. Wow. She's going for the kill. She knows what she likes.
Maybe it is.
Get situated here. Hold on, sissy.
We love the mac and cheese. Big time favorite here. Ooh, what's that? Is that the turkey? Oh, that's roast beef, right?
We're beef.
Wow, that's beef, big guy.
Beef. It's delicious.
That's some of the green beans. Yes. Oh, I love those tongs. It's like 2 spoons put together.
Too
Got that
good.
turkey. Like crispy green beans. Really colorful. Some of that turkey. In here, it's always Thanksgiving, huh? Some of this beef. You want some? And the gravy?
You want some?
Yes, please.
What? Thanks, sis.
crispy. Mashed potatoes. The green beans are very buttery and really delicious. The turkey is really juicy.
Kids are eating it.
Yep, it's up. Slow down, big guy. It's roast beef. Really delicious. Gotta get some more of that beef. That is really good. Really delicious, man. I got it, big guy. That's for you.
Hi. Please not eat all bread. Please.
Man.
I won't touch your bread.
Not
Get some gravy on there. Some cranberry sauce. Put some gravy on top of that. That's how we do. Man, we running out of mashed potatoes here. We might have to get a double. Eat this kid a food. Man, that cranberry makes that turkey even like sweeter, obviously. And with the gravy, man, magic, baby. Mix it all up here. Thank God for the reservations. Big shout out. Thank God we don't have to eat hot dogs today. Oh, I know. Can we go? I need to get my silhouettes.
We're not gonna have time.
We're gonna try. I want to get my own silhouette. We shall see. Just found out there's stuffing in here, guys. Stuffing. Wow.
Dad.
Stuffing.
Dad.
Yep, that's stuffing. All right, confirmed. She likes the bread. They love the bread.
Burn me down.
You don't know what?
Yeah, this is a different one.
Very similar from the last one.
Well, it's medium bodied as well, but this one's the Pinot. What is it?
Oh, have you tasted it already?
No.
Let's try it.
That's really good. That's good.
This
I
is
think
better. This
I
one-
think I like this one better.
The first one?
No, this one, the second one.
Sweeter or
The
what?
Pinot. A little bit sweeter, yeah.
Yeah, we gotta get one of those gravy ones to the house.
Yep.
Man, I think I'm on my third or fourth turkey right now. So delicious. Love Thanksgiving food, man. There we go. Gravies. Man, I am stuffed. This is the aftermath. I don't think I can go any further. So good though.
Hey, Paul. I have birds. Birds. What did you say? Cooking the bird.
Spit on top.
Beautiful. Look at that.
Wow. That thing's huge. It's the best part of the eating one more. It's one of the same one.
Is that chocolate cake?
Alright.
Good to you.
That's great bread.
Hey guys, come on, calm down.
There
You don't have
it
to
is.
eat it if you don't want to. Okay? As long as you can eat just a tiny bit, okay?
Lactose.
Yeah, the ball.
Alright. Time to partake.
Okay. Okay, you don't have to eat it. Are you full?
Man.
What? But I get sick.
That's good. Now what's in it? It's got a crunchy texture to it. Chocolate, vanilla, some of that crust from that pie, I think. It's got all the elements of a great dessert. What do you think? Got it, big guy? Outstanding. It's like chocolate chip right there. I think it is. that chocolate chip cookie crust. Yeah, really impressive out here. Alright, wow. Is this the Jefferson room you're talking about?
Yes.
Oh. Wow. Next time we go here. Oh, the restroom's upstairs too. Okay, up to the restroom upstairs. Wow, look at the view from up here.
This view is beautiful.
Wow. Artwork, the lighting. Hey, I think that's the men's room right there. The men's side, this way, big guy. Come on. Sinks here. One, 2. Hold on, big guy. Here, a lot of them there. What a view. Let's go this side. Okay, go down. We'll go find the street. Alright. Room, anything. Wow, fireplace. Huge. What's this one right
There's
here?
supposed to be hidden Mickey here. Made out of blueberries, he said.
I don't see him on blueberries. Where's the other hidden Mickey? It's made out of blueberries. See? Right there. Wow.
It doesn't really look like it. It's hard to see him.
See it, big guy?
That's the hidden
Jesus
Mickey.
time.
It's the shape of a fruit. Or shape of a Mickey. Okay?
Alrighty. Till next time, Tavern. It was real good. Alright, is it raining? It just finished raining. Oh, I still feel some.
It doesn't make me wet.
A rainy day. Wow, we got a parade for the rainy day. Hey, Mickey's right there.